Hi everyone, it's Caitlin here from the Quinny Sports and Wellness Center. So today I'm going to show you how to do pulled string art. So what you're going to need is a thick book with a hard cover. You want to make sure you pick a book that you don't mind getting some paint on. You're going to need printer paper, a pair of scissors, some yarn or string. Make sure it's the thicker kind, just so it leaves more of a mark on your paper. And then you want some paint colors. Pick as many colors as you want. You'll put 2 to 3 pieces of string on your paper. So today I picked purple, red, yellow, and green. And that's it for our supplies. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut your string into 18 inches. So I've got one cut. If you cut it a little bit longer than 18 inches, that's not a problem. 2, 3, and 4. So again, I picked 4 because that's how many paint colors I picked for today. And then what you're going to do is you want to make sure your paint is in a container because you're going to dip the string into the paint. So, first one is purple. I'm going to put this in here. You want to make sure you use a washable paint because your fingers are going to get dirty. It's not working out. Stick that right in there. Soak it all up. Make sure you leave a little bit of the string at the top out so you can grab it. Do red. You might want to have some paper towel on hand. Of course, if you don't want your fingers to get dirty, you can put some gloves on. Wipe a bit of this paint off. Yellow. Ooh. And last but not least, green. Mix more of this paint off. All right, so I'm going to let those sit for a second or two just so they can get the string can get soaked up with the paint. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my printer paper and I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to fold it in half. And then what I'm going to do, oh, that's not even half. My goodness. Try that again. Let's fold it right in half. All right. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a page in the book. I'm not worried about. Open the book. I already got some paint on it with my fingers. I'm going to put the sheet of paper in the middle of it, or near the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my colors. I want to wipe off some of that extra paint, just so it's not blotchy. And then you're gonna just lay it on your paper in whatever kind of design you want. Make sure you leave that piece at the bottom that you had sticking out. Okay, so I have what it looks like so far. It looks like this. Okay, I have that little piece that didn't have the paint on it at the bottom. That way I can pull the string out. I'm gonna take another color. Let's do purple. I'm gonna grab my purple color. Make sure it's nice and soaked up in there. Pull it out. As I pull it out, I want to make sure I pull off some of that extra paint. And I'm going to do the same thing. Stick it on my paper, whatever design you want. Again, it does not matter because you're going to pull it out. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 on this piece of paper. Wipe my hands off just a bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold that paper on itself. I'm going to put the lid of the book down. And then all we're going to do, I'm going to show you from your end, is I'm going to pull one piece out at a time of that string. So grab that little piece you have sticking out nice and hard. You want to make sure you're pushing down on the book. And pull the next one out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up. Open your piece of paper up. And there you go. There's your string art. So I know it's harder to see in this camera, but it's got the lines of the string throughout the paper. So it kind of looks like tulips. Okay? And then all you're going to do is you're going to do it again. You're going to let it dry. So set it off to the side. The more of the paint that you take off when you take it out of this paint cup, the less messy, so to speak, your picture will look. So I'll do one more with my last 2 colors. I'm going to fold my paper in half, put it in the book. This time I'm going to take a little bit more paint off. I'm going to press harder on my string. I want to pull it off. I'm going to stick it on my paper. Again, whatever pattern you want is entirely up to you. Just make sure you leave a little piece out at the end. Grab my green, same thing. Pull some of it off. Put it on my paper. Wash off my fingers. Close the lid, hold the paper down, and then again, I'm going to pull it out nice and fast. And there you go. And there's your final product. So less paint on it. It is less, has more of the lines from the string on it, so it's not as obvious as this one. So those are your 2 kinds. This one has less paint, this one has more paint. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Post pictures of what your string art looks like so we can see, as I'm sure they'll turn out beautiful. Have fun, guys. Thanks.